What's up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to come up with a name for your online boutique or your online dropshipping boutique, whether you're doing wholesale or dropshipping. If you're having a hard time coming up with a name for your boutique, this is the perfect, helpful video for you. So if you want to know how to not struggle coming up with a name, then stay tuned. Okay, so first you're going to want to go to Shopify. So get on Google, go to Shopify. 2, 1. Recording. Okay. So this is Shopify, y'all. It's the name generator. You can create a business name and claim the domain in seconds. So please enter a business name. So let's say you're selling shoes. Let's type in shoes. Generate names. It says we found 100 business names containing shoes. So you got shuffle shoes, club shoes. You see all the names they have. So pretty much they give you a name to match whatever you got. So let's say you want to type in angel and you want your store to be something about angel. And they found 100 business names containing angel. Angel generator, angel play, first place angel. As you can see, they have all these names. So pretty much whatever you could think of. Whether you're doing accessories, hair, you could type it in and some things will come up. Like, oh, look, rebel hair. That's actually cute. If you were having like a hair store, you could type in a rebel hair. So that's how you come up with the name. And then if you were to click it, let me show you. We're going to go, oh, find his hair. That's cute. Find his hair or rebel hair? Let's just click rebel hair. So if you were to click that, say you want to pick that. You can reserve your brand name on Shopify. You will then enter your email address, your password, and your store name. And then, you'll create a whole Shopify store. But I'm not going to go through that. That's just me showing you guys how to come up with the name for your online boutique. Make sure the name that you search is not taken. Make sure you do your research. Like registering your business, trademark, all that, Always want to put that. Always want to put that disclaimer out. So if you want to know the name of my boutique, I am relaunching sometime this year. Currently still getting things in order because I want it to be perfect. My name of the boutique is Franny Marie. So Franny is my grandma's name. When my little cousin was younger, he couldn't say Granny, so he said Franny. And then her middle name is Marie, so Franny Marie. So has like her nickname and then her middle name. And my daughter's middle name is Marie too. 7 months pregnant, if you didn't know. So I'll be out of breath and tired. I need to drink some water right now. But yeah, so the longer it takes me to launch, like the more I make sure I'm getting things in order. Make sure I'm not trying to skip anything, do anything like incorrect. The longer it takes me, pretty much I know what like I want to sell, which is amazing. I'm like falling in love with it the more I do research, So once I get a little bit more legal things in order, then we're going to start ordering samples. But I am pregnant, so I can't model nothing. I will have to find models, but I want to be my own model, my own face of my brand, So pretty much I have a whole business checklist that I'm checking things off. And I'm not launching until everything is checked off that checklist. You feel me? For me, it's not even about having a business. It's about building a brand. Because when I did do dropshipping, I couldn't really build a brand. But the vendor that I have mentioned before, they do have branding custom packaging now. So if you want to click this icon at the top, you can watch that video of how to start an online boutique with no money. But anywho, now I have to plug myself. If you need help with your business, you got questions, you need advice, you can book a coaching call with me. I have coaching calls for 30 minutes and 60 minutes. I'll put a screenshot of that right here. You can click the link in the description as well. If you need an Instagram audit, like your Instagram sucks, it has no scheme, you need help with branding your Instagram, I can help you. You can book an Instagram audit. I'll put that on the side as well. If you need help with YouTube, you should get with Black Media. They can help you get monetized on YouTube, help you rank your videos, especially if you're not growing. So book with Black Media if you need help with that. If you have a black business, I have a lot of plugging to do, guys. If you have a black business and you need promo, DM me on Instagram. I have a black business shout out page called Black Vigorous. That will be down below as well. Or if you need just regular promo, you can DM me on Terry Side Hustles. And also follow me on Terry Side Hustles as well, because we just hit 3K. We just hit 3K. I feel like I'm on cloud nine. I'm so excited. So thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to me. I appreciate y'all. I do have more videos coming, like I said. I'm currently about drop shipping, and then when I do wholesale, because I decided I think I'm going to do wholesale. So yeah, but I still have drop shipping videos. If you guys want to watch those series, be sure you are subscribed if you are watching this now. So I'm pretty much going to give away a digital product. If you want to check out my website, it'll be down below. You can pick a digital product of your choice, whether it's my ambassador script and details, whether it's my ambassador script, you can pick that, or my cannabis job package. Like, I have certain things on my site you can pick to win, but no promo. Promo is not a part of it, but yeah. So if this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to check the description down below for more details on how to enter the giveaway and for more information on anything else that I mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching, guys. And remember, you get in what you put in. Peace.